Hi, good morning. This is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. So this coming Wednesday, I'm going to be talking about how you can build instant lead magnet. Now, the problem we are having is no one knows about our business, no one knows about our organization, and then if you're a nonprofit, no one supports their cause. And if you're selling membership declines. So I'm going to be talking about what our outbound and inbound marketings are. So outbound marketing, so you probably know this. So we tried this, often entrapped our audience. So sending ads and making cold call, sending cold email, sending out newsletters. And then actually I hate doing that too. It's just the casting net and try to catch fish, but it doesn't work so well. On the other hand, inbound marketing is about attracting your prospects. So we also call it content marketing. Now, the content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain your target audience. So we're going to be talking about this week. Now, for example, you can write a blog, you can create a video, and probably ebook and checklist. So let's talk about this this Wednesday. So, but rather than casting a net, so it's about the content marketing is about attracting your fish, feeding fish. So I just want to put this the slide on. You probably tried this on your website, subscription to your newsletter, and you probably tried this pop-up to subscribe to your newsletter too. So I've tried this too, but it never really worked. So on the other hand, last week I created this landing page about lead magnet, so people can download my workbook free. So here is a statistic. This is Google Analytics. I got the 39-page view, and I captured 7 leads. So it's not really a big number, but if you can see the conversion rate, so this is about 18% conversion rate. So the industry standard is about 5%. So this is high. So again, let's talk about this, how I did it this Wednesday. Now, the lead magnet is about you create something for your prospect or client to give away so that they can download for free. But in return, you get their names and emails, so forth. So here is the lead magnet works. So, and you're gonna be learning how you can create free content quickly and how you can quickly create a good landing page. It took me only 10 minutes, so you can do that too. And how you can capture leads. So this is about lead magnet. This is what you're gonna be learning this Wednesday. Now, if you don't have lead magnet, probably, like my problem too, probably you don't have a time to make one. And you probably don't know where to start. But so this workshop, I can teach you how you can build really fast and then super easy, okay? And so we're gonna be doing lots of brainstorming as well. So please come. So the workshop is gonna be this Wednesday at 1 o'clock at Ottawa Public Library. So the information is on this email. So have a nice week, and hope to see you then. Bye-bye.